How to check a no caller ID number. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to check a no caller ID on number on your iPhone or mobile device. So first thing, just head over to your settings inside your mobile or iPhone, and once you're inside here, just scroll down until you find the phone option. As you can see here, just tap on it, and once you're inside here, just scroll once again and until you find the option called call blocking and identification. So note that this option might or might not be available depending upon your iPhone version. So since I'm using iPhone 14 or iPhone 12, it might be available. So just tap on this and make sure you've enabled if you are also using Truecaller, and if you simply have this option, make sure you have enabled this. And there is also another option related to the blocking contacts, so you can also enable it. And once you do all of that, another thing what I want you to do is just head over to your phone and just dial in for 69 to check who is calling from the no caller ID or blocked number. So you can just head over to your phone and just type in *69 like this and call, or you can also type in *57 and call for the alternative use. So once you do that, your caller ID number should be checked, and you can easily check it like that on your device as well. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.